Well, beep beeps.
Wait.
So today we're gonna go biking together. So let's get to it.
Right, let's go.
If y'all don't know, I have a ski mask.
Yeah, you can see on my POV.
My
I have the
POV.
POV side by side.
My POV.
Started this yesterday.
Oh. I'm still on my butt yet.
In the rainiest, the cloudiest day. Don't let me lose you next time. So next time, Kairo. Kairo, you listening? Go in front of me. Next time, whenever we split up, wait at the end. And we look around once in a while. Let's try this out. On the place where we got lost last time. Okay, let's try this again. I literally got my bad last time.
Yeah. Let's do it again. Split up and then I will see.
Wait, not yet. Guys, split up. Go into the dirt.
Me?
No, me. I'm going to the dirt.
I see.
And then you win at the end. Like the first thing you see.
Yo, look at the water.
I thought he just
I don't want to touch it.
lost interest. I said over here,
Go.
not over there.
This is the end.
Guess we're going to water. This camera, the DJI, I'm using. Stabilize that. That's why I choose it for biking. So when you're going bumps, you don't have to
Yo,
see
I felt the raindrop.
You see. Let's split up. We meet at the corner end.
What do you mean corner end?
Like all the way at the back of gatehouse.
All the way? Like,
Where you see the big garbage cans?
yeah, I bet. I go that way. Alright, y'all, I'm split up. And Reiner gonna see you. I think, yeah, I don't see. Oh, yeah. Good. So, this is 30 yards. I can let you run that far. Oh, there you are.
Wait, how are you here? I'm going.
I can let you run that in like seconds. I
Let's get to it.
You want to split up?
Car, it's a car.
Oh.
Just follow me. Well, actually, I follow you. You go in front of me.
What?
You go in front of me.
You want me to go in front of you?
Mhm.
Go up here and then yep, go inside.
Left.
Oh, hell no.
Go. Ain't that hard.
Bro,
Be strong.
my feet are wet. I remember when me and my friend Doug went through that super fast, and then we got wet.
Oh wow, look at this.
Hi, Rainer. Come on.
You're shooting off.
Come on.
Can't see it spot. Check it.
You want to split up? Go that way. Meet you over there. Let me up this side. Rainer! Oh, look at those two dogs. Yo, going backwards. I thought you were gonna stop right here. Anyways, look at those two duckies. Oh, they running. They hate us.
What?
Yeah, I'm going. You want me to go in front?
Yeah? Go. Kairo, close.
You want to go
Split up.
We're
like near the streets.
I bet.
Near the roads.
Yeah, I like near the street. Where's Rainer? Is it taking long or does he not find me? Am I blind?
Alright, where?
Oh, my bad, y'all.
Okay. Come on, wait.
Oh, there's a car.
This
Ooh, shakalaka.
so many cars.
Are you trying to go that way? Oh, we going.
Carl, you want to do 30 minutes?
What?
You want to do 30 minutes?
Sped up?
Yeah.
It'll take half an hour, but alright, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna faint though.
Or until it's raining.
Yeah, we can do it until it's raining. Cause.
It gets heavy raining.
Bro.
On the road, please.
Bro, come on, follow me.
Follow it.
Me up inside. I'm thinking, oh, how do I use that park's car?
Wait, what?
Bro, I'm driving this. Hold on, park's that park. Isn't that park's van?
This way.
The Rainer.
This way.
Oh, follow you.
What? They're going up to 30 minutes in real time.
Go backwards. That's what I'm saying.
Kairo, let's go.
Kairo,
Go that way. Go that way. Over there. No,
Right there.
we're like already there before.
I'm just trying to be right.
Alright, let's go to the right. Let's go this way. Come on, this way.
Let's split up.
I'm getting tired. So slow.
Let me up inside. Okay. Driving away. Brody, bunch of the squad.
Usually my time.
Cleaning? What you mean cleaning? The squad is dirty. Oh, shit. Bro, can we just do 15 minutes, bro? Because I ain't staying here for 30 minutes. No, that's unacceptable.
You can go slow to preserve your energy.
Alright?
Or try for 30 minutes straight.
If I get nauseous.
If you want to do 15 minutes, we end in 2 minutes. Well, that's the 30 minutes. And last bit is Seattle.
I'm trying to do no hands, but
Careful.
pull over.
Alright.
Pull over.
Except to pull over, I'm Larry pulling over.
Let's be up and shit, are you?
Willie.
Yo, that's Aiden's car. I keep seeing it.
I'm about to lose my mom.
Why?
Just keep going.
Yeah. That's it. Is this wrong or right?
I never know. I don't know.
This is wrong.
Bruh.
Hold up. Wait, this is right. I don't feel the thing. Oh, there it is. This is right. I going.